Good afternoon guys, andito ko ngayon sa Odmeta corner ng Rashid Hospital Street. Susundin ko kasi yung anak ko sa school. Usually nagbabus siya, school bus, pero ngayon mayroon silang after school activity. So nagstay sila ng more than 3 hours after the regular school time. Pag ganitong oras, hindi naman gaanong ka-traffic, pero marami kang makakasabay ng mga school bus din na naghahatid ng mga estudyante, kaya medyo may volume yung traffic. Siya nga pala guys, summer na dito sa Dubai. Usually yung mga taglamig nag-uumpisa ng December, tapos unti-unti siyang nag-fade during the month of March. Pagdating naman ng April, ayun, sobrang init na. Umaabot na ng 38 to 40 at mas iinit pa yan on the coming months. So go na yung traffic sign, nag-green na, so forward na tayo. Ayan, stoplight ulit tayo. Yan nga palang sa harap ko, yung parang tulay, yan nga pala yung daanan ng Dubai Metro Train. Kasi merong Odmeta station sa medyo dulo. Yung iba kasi akala tulay siya. Ayan, green na ulit. Let's go. Malapit na lang dito yung school ng anak ko. So dito, sa kanan ko, ito na yung St. Mary's Church. So magpa-park tayo dun sa kanang bahagi. So magte-turn right tayo. Mayroong magandang mosque dito. Ayan, so dito tayo magpa-park. Dati, ang parking is only 2 dirhams per hour. Ngayon, 6 dirhams per hour na kapag peak hours, which is 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Ayun, peak hour ngayon past 4. So magpa-park tayo ng 6 dirhams. Grabe ang init sa labas.
Yeah.
Summer na talaga. Wait, I'll just finish this. Nagutom ako eh.
Daddy, you know what my bonding with Ronnie is? You know what my bonding with Ronnie is?
What?
Singing church songs.
Oh.
Because she's part of the choir and she was like, oh my god, I wish you were also part of the choir. And I was like, oh my gosh, that was really sweet.
Magka-choir ka rin ba?
I mean, sana. I turned on your hotspot. Do you have a new thingy, Tina? Do you have a new thingy na? Oh wow.
It's just a regular one.
Now that I got a taste, I think that I'd suffocate. From every
Anong song yan?
second that I have no idea actually. You are coming soon.
Your seatbelt is done. Grabe ang init sa labas. Nakakauhaw. Ready?
Oh.
Dito pala kayo lalabas. Bukas dyan din kayo lalabas.
Siguro.
Ba't may lumalabas dun din sa church? Ibang section,
Kasi it's
ibang ano.
optional.
Sana hindi tayo maabutan ng super traffic, no?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga classmates mo or iba? Baka mahulog cellphone mo, ha?
Auntie Jo! Michelle! I'm here!
Tomorrow, you want to be independent in the metro? I'll just
Wait,
meet you
can I?
Okay.
Wait,
Kasama mo
that's
naman sila
Yeah, me, Shell, and Andy are in the same station.
in Alnada?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll just wait for you there in Alnada.
Yay!
So, it's just one way naman, hindi na kayo bababa ng metro sa Union.
Yep.
One way na lang.
Okay.
So, that's gonna be a strong, independent woman. Are you gonna be strong, independent woman na?
Yes.
Okay. Kasi baka mahiharin sila kapag kasama nila yung tatay ni Sam eh. Baka hindi sila makachika-chika.
Yeah, earlier they were asking me if I was gonna come metro with them.
Oh, tell them tomorrow you'll go metro with them.
Okay.
Then I'll pick you in the... Because you know, it's very... ang tagal magantay ng bus going to our home. So I'll just pick you up there
Okay.
sa metro. If you will sing me a song,
Me? What song?
kahit ano.
I don't...
Tagalog!
Papu!
I want to hear yung song to Tagalog. Ano ba yung kinanta mo nung sinundo kita dati, yung pumunta tayo sa Wafi?
I don't remember. Nagsimula sa simple na pasuyap-suyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. I forgot. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kamusta ka na? Bro, I drank so much apple strawberry juice.
From where? From the pantry?
Yeah, you know, Daddy, I was so happy because, you know, apple strawberry juice is my favorite. Yeah, apple strawberry juice is my favorite. And then, like, my classmates don't really like that, apparently. So, they gave it to me. And I had, like, 3 apple strawberry.
Is it a combination of apple strawberry or separate?
It's a combination.
Oh.
Yeah, and then I didn't drink water after. Because we just got it.
Cold?
Yeah, cool. And we also have Oreo, but I don't like Oreo, so I just gave it to my classmates.
The food from... May ano kayo? May libre kayong snacks? May libre kayong snacks?
Apple. At the end.
Did you eat your lunch? Hindi
Yeah.
po.
I did.
Okay. Naubos mo?
I think I left one.
You left one lunchbox. Sana hindi tayo maabutan ng super traffic, no?
Yeah, you said that already.
I did?
Yeah?
Sana hindi na tayo abutan ng super traffic, no?
Sana din na tayo. Abo.
Abo. There's a bus. Oh, I think it's gonna be traffic na, so we will go this way.
Wala na. Are you gonna libre me?
Dun sa McDonald's sa atin.
Okay.
But we will not go to drive-thru kasi hindi mo makikita yung toy. We will go down and choose the toy available, okay?
No, because you know, I'm planning to trade my sheep for a bee.
Oh, somebody gonna be?
Yeah.
That's the most sought after toy.
Yeah, I really want the bee. Like, because the bee is like my favorite, one of my favorite mods in Minecraft.
Nakakonect ka na?
Apa.
Burger ulit?
Yes.
Ganda naman ng car. Yellow. Ah, you can see it. Natakpan na.
No, the yellow and black one, right? I can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah. Can see
I can see it.
That's
I
not
can
the
see
lid.
it. I'm all... Ah! Vampire!
My love is on your shirt.
Oh.
Ooh.
Tell me, are you
That's your DNA.
Tell me, are you vampire, werewolf, or Draculaura?
All of the above. No, I'm Pinkie
All in
Pie.
one?
I'm Pinkie Pie.
The yellow car. Oh.
It looks like Chloe's car but yellow.
I'm in trouble. Look at that bus. Ooh.
The new properties.com.
This is a bit blocking my side. Is it okay if you...
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
boss, move over.
He's not moving.
I'll kick you. Ow!
Hey, can I turn off the AC?
Ha?
Can I put the AC more?
Yeah, sure.
Put the AC more?
Maybe hindi nakaharap sa'yo AC, harap mo sa'yo yung ano,
Oh yeah.
grills.
Huh? Where's grills?
They call it grills, this one.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the ano ng pagkain. Ang puso ko nagtutugtog.
Fast and Furious. I challenge you for a race.
This one?
Yeah.
But what if he goes a different direction?
Then I win. Now, ready for the green. Vroom, 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 vroom. I win!
Yeah! I'm gonna
challenge the airplane for a race.
I will. Daddy, I think they're winning.
Yeah.
Daddy, they won.
Okay.
Daddy. Daddy.
Serious, the traffic is starting now.
Oh yeah.
What more if you will... But the... You know, the... Oh! There goes the bus!
Loser!
But the good thing about Metro, you don't have to...
Beep beep.
You don't have to... Ano the traffic. Experience the traffic. I challenge you. There it goes. Oh, he's fast.
It's so tall.
Tall and fast, furious.
4.7 meters.
My height is 4.6.
Yeah, my height is 6.
When I'm on the second
meters.
floor.
That's so short.
Oh, traffic. Don't leave me. Wow, 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 wow.
Daddy, I'm gonna higa.
Okay.
Oh, yes. The only bad thing about Metro is you can't higa.
But you will enjoy the sights, the
charged over his death. And Abu Dhabi has lifted the minimum speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour on Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Road ED311 in a bid to improve road safety and enhance traffic flow. Abu Dhabi's Department of Transport, now known as Abu Dhabi Mobility, has explained that the move also aims to support the smoother movement of heavy vehicles.
Dubai 92 Sports, powered by McGettigans.
Enjoy an Easter roast this Sunday at Old McGettigans or the Easter Family Egg Hunt at Ibn Battuta Gate for the chance to win a family trip to Barbados.
Formula One and Red Bull's Helmut Marko has expressed concern about Max Verstappen's future. The team, they failed to give the four-time world champion a faster car. Verstappen was the winner in Japan on the 6th of April, but struggled to 6th place in this weekend's Bahrain Grand Prix and at one point was last on track. And Northern Ireland's First Minister Michelle O'Neill says people are bursting with pride at Rory McIlroy's Masters victory. He secured the final piece of a career Grand Slam in Augusta overnight. I'm Noni Edwards. For all your latest news, check the ARN News Centre's app.
Stories that make you smile.
Powered by Real Madrid World. Step into the world's only Real Madrid football theme park and explore over 40 experiences. Book your tickets now at DubaiParksandResorts.com.
Filipino scientist Carby Aaron Maige has invented a solar panel made from recycled food waste. Generates electricity using UV light, meaning it works even on cloudy days and in shaded areas. This game-changing invention could revolutionize renewable energy.
Turning up the feel great music
Home time on Dubai 92.
with Rich.
With 4 days until Club Social, I want to give you a little bit of a treat. Every day at 5 p.m. I'm going to give you your very own mini concert. Today we're kicking off with
We are the UAE's Feel Great Station.
artist. Take it away, Ray.
You don't know me. Alright, we're gonna
Samantha, we're here at McDonald's. Gising na. Andito na tayo sa McDo. Okay, we're here at McDo. Okay. Are you going in or I'll just be the one who will order? Huh? Check natin yung toy?
Can we look for the big?
Okay. You'll stay here?